Did you know that one of Florida's biggest theme parks started with beer, birds, and gardens? In 1959, Busch Gardens opened in Tampa as part of the Anheuser-Busch Brewery. But it wasn't the roller coaster-filled park we know today. Back then, visitors could tour the brewery, enjoy beautifully landscaped gardens, see exotic birds, and experience a relaxing tropical attraction. It was free to visit and quickly became a popular stop for Florida travelers. Over time, Busch Gardens grew from a brewery garden into a full theme park with animal habitats, shows, thrill rides, and roller coasters. Long before Tampa became known for iron gwazi, shikra, and safari-style experiences, Busch Gardens helped show that Florida tourism could be more than beaches and roadside stops. The gardens may have started small, but they helped prove something big. Florida knew how to turn imagination into a destination. It was another step in Florida's growing attraction industry, setting the stage for the theme park boom that would later transform Central Florida. I'm Lisa Eaton, the Tap-Dancing Realtor. Help you become part of Central Florida's future by owning a home here.